Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be doing New Year's Eve makeup look, and I will try to be super quick because, well, you might hear that something is wrong, and my eyes are literally watering because I have a runny nose, I got some cold, but, no time to waste, no time, because it's almost New Year, and I'm not going to be able to film this, I guess, in the nearest future. I'm going to get started with my Morphe eyeshadow palette and some eyeshadow primer, the one that I have from Wet n Wild. So yeah, today I'm going to be probably crying. I'm going to be crying, though I hope I'm not going to ruin my makeup. Not crying, but like runny nose crying. Okay, let's get started. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to grab a little bit of the color green over my big and fluffy brush. I was thinking about brown, but it's too boring. Browns are great, but I'm not a huge fan of browns all the time. So I'm going to add green all over the lid. And with a tiny brush, the one that I use for some detailing most of the time, I want to pick on a little bit different shade. It's probably going to be the color burgundy with a mix of probably like this and that combination of these two. I want to do a kind of shape of a drop. I saw this from one of influencers, I guess, over TikTok, and I really like the shape. So I'm kind of like picking this from some other influencer, the shape in particular, not color range, but it was really nice. I want to do this a little bit thicker in the area of my inner corner. So let's pat it. And then when we're going up, it's going to be a thin line. Try to kind of start from a little bit thicker line and then just go up like that with a motion like, oh! I don't know how we can recreate it on the other eye, like, oh! And it's going to be different, but for now, it's not bad. I feel like it's not really bad. I'm going to do the outer corner line with the same color. I want to do a thick line in the outer corner. Let's stop halfway through. I don't want to bring this to the inner corner because we have some color in this area. And my next step is going to be pretty much obvious. I'm going to definitely pick on some shimmers because like makeup look without shimmers is not a makeup look. I am gonna choose, I guess, red. Like, why not? I really love red. Where do I get the red? I'm gonna use the same brush and I want to wet it with any leftovers of moisture from my beauty blender. And let's pick on the red color. Tap this off and you can cover your under eye area and go in the area we created with matte color. And the same I'm gonna do for the outer corner. I'm gonna wet the brush, flat brush, again with a beauty blender, and pick up the lime color. And then I will actually get this over my brow bone like this. I'm gonna keep the middle part matte, and then we're gonna add shimmers on the sides. By the way, it doesn't really give a lot of shimmers. What is going on here? I'm gonna do the same combination of red colors, the color burgundy and red, over my lower lid. I don't know, it's gonna be the horse here, but it's gonna be like fire horse. So if it's a fire horse, we need some fire. And I want to add a decent amount of red highlighter or like red shimmer over my lower lid. I'm going to use my black eyeliner. The one that I'm using today is Makeup Revolution Dip Eyeliner, and you know that I hate the one from this in particular, or from any other, I guess, eyeliners, because I always go back to my Catrice eyeliner brush, and I need to wipe off any of the color, because, it's weird, because the consistency of Makeup Revolution, when it dries completely, it's actually turning the brush into a real stone, so that is the main reason why you have to clean your brush. I want to add a little bit of this Hello Good Stuff and Deep Eye Serum whatsoever, but you can use it as a gel, and you can use aloe vera. It doesn't really matter. And then you need to add a small drop of this product in your super dry formula glitter, because I've been having this glitter for ages. Literally, I don't really do that much glittery eye looks, though I probably should. And I'm going to get a little bit of red. And I'm going to place this red, instead of gems, in this area. Ooh, yeah. By the way, it's really important when you take off your glitter to make sure that you're not going to hurt your skin while you're like washing this off. Use a sticky tape, and sticky tape is going to take off a majority of your product, majority of this glitter. And then it's almost gone. You can wash off your face. So I'm almost done. I need a lip gloss because, well, we have something super bright. And I'm wearing a shirt, which is quite boring, but I'm going to be pairing this with my black pants that I showed you in my previous shorts, which I really like this combination in particular, though my husband and my mom, they're like, questionable choice. I'm like, really? I like it. Kind of like it. And I'm going to be celebrating my new year in this outfit. So, yeah, questionable for them, not questionable for me. It's out of question. So, yeah, that is the reason why I'm wearing a red shirt. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Love you all so much. Happy New Year. Happy New Year's Eve. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.